Hello everyone. Today our group will representing about Minecraft layer type classification using K-nearest neighbor or KNN based on TikTok review analysis. Presented by Anak Baik. Next. The background is the amount of text, data, reviews, comments, opinions continues to increase every year. Automated text classification, helping to combine and analyze text faster, and common text mining pipeline, including text pre-processing, TF-IDF factorization, and classification using KNN. Next. And then we have a project objective where clean and pre-process raw text data, and then we transform the text into the numerical feature using TF-IDF, and classify review text into predefined labels, including to evaluate model performance using accuracy, F1 minus score, and confusion matrix. Next. With dataset description, the dataset contains text reviews and multiple label columns, including multi-label data to convert into a single label using a custom function like getLabel. And then we have main columns to review text, and label columns, for example, positive, negative, and the neutral. Next. And then we have the text pre-processing. In here, we convert text to lowercase and remove numbers, including remove punctuations, removing the stop word, and tokenization and normalization. And then we process text stored in clean_text.
TF-IDF factorization. TF-IDF transform text into weight type numerical feature. TF turn frequency. How often a word appears in a document. IDF inverse document frequency. How are a word is across the dataset. The result matrix X is used as input for the KNN classifier. Next. Visualization 1. Text length distribution. Text length is calculated based on word count. A histogram is used to show distribution of text length. Average review size in the dataset. Next. Visualization 2. Top 10 TF-IDF word. Average TF-IDF score for all words are calculated. The top 10 pages scoring keyword are visualized. Help in the identity the most influential word for classification.
The dataset is then divided into 70% training data and 30% testing data. I use the Maaf ya guys, ulang. Train, test, split. The dataset is then divided into 70% training data and 30% testing data. I use the strategy parameter to ensure that the distribution of labels remains balanced between the trainings and testing sets. Model use k-nearest neighbor KNN. For the classification model, I use k-nearest neighbors. This model classifies new text based on the similarity to its nearest neighbors. I also experiment with several hyperparameters such as the number of neighbors and the weighting method. Model evaluation. To evaluate the model, I use several metrics including accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. In addition, a confusion matrix I use to visualize how well each class is predicted. Current progress 70%. At this point, I have completed most of the core component of the project, including pre-processing, TF-IDF vectorization, visualizations, train test splits, initial KNN training, and hyperparameter tuning. The remaining tasks include model improvement, deploying the final model, performing the last evaluation, and completing the full project report. Thank you for listening.